Hey, what's up, Idea Factory family? I'm here to you guys live with a special report. First off, ignore the gloves. I was in the middle of another project when I got a special visit from my friend Julian James over at the J2 collection, and he had to deliver something that I have been waiting to get here for the past few weeks, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox or unbag it for you guys right now. So for those of you that don't know Julian here in Indianapolis, he is a leather worker. I don't know if there's a specific word for that, but he's basically an artisan that works with fine leathers and different things, different stuff like that. So I've seen him make all kind of wallets. I don't have my wallet on me, but he made that. It's amazing. It's beautiful leather. I've seen him redo people's upholstery and reupholster seats and, just all kind of cool stuff. Every time I look up, he's doing a project and I'm like, oh, this is amazing. I need one of those. But then my entire house will be full of leather. So anyway, he dropped this off for me and I'm not getting, any discount or anything to share this with you guys. It's just so amazing. And when I told him I wanted something one of a kind, and I kind of talked to him about, the Black Tony Stark and me being into technology and different things like that. I talked about different ways we could try to incorporate that into this bag and future bags. Well, all right. Let's see what we got here. All right, so this is it. This is amazing. First off, I don't even know what kind of leather that is. It's dope. Definitely big enough. It's big enough for what I need. I needed it to be big and solid for my MacBook. I told him I did want the gold hardware. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this. I like it. Here's my favorite part because I wanted to be able to kind of take this off and take it with me. This just detaches, so if I want to leave my bag in the car and carry my handbag here with me, which I think it's got my phone and something else in here. Oh, it looks like it's got a phone and a little wallet here made by him as well. So that's pretty cool. But he's made some type of, let's see what else we got inside here. Oh yeah, I like this. On the inside, it's like a raw hide. Obviously, I can't feel it through the gloves, but here's the best part. Oh, the Black Tony Stark. All right, this is amazing. Let's see. And then he said something about the way this locks back on. I think he said you can just kind of set it on there and it'll snap back in. And it's pretty sturdy. Oh man, this is dope, man. All right, I don't even know what to call this. I told him that we should call it like the Transformer or the convertible top or something like that. When you guys see me out and you see me with my man bag, don't be mad, all right? Once again, this came from Julian over at the J2 collection. Make sure you guys hit him up. He's definitely gonna be he's the sponsor for our next Dad Reads a Bedtime Story. Thanks again, Julian.